being an alumni of IIT Bombay, I'm very proud to be a part of this workshop also. Being an electrical engineer and specialized in energy systems, I'd like to, as I talked with the Kavi sir yesterday, I'd like to incorporate the concepts of robotics into power management or energy management devices. So that's the problem entire globe is facing. So I try to address that thing and not thinking the robots in terms of having wheels only, but treating those robots as actuating devices with some intelligent sensors. And that was my aim to come down over here, and that will be the aim after going from here. And one more decision or the thinking that has come to my mind, that I'd like to give this toy or robot to the next final year students to take it as a project, and based on that give some idea how this thing can be used in the electrical engineering or in the power management or energy management system. Thank you.
So you see yourself using it in the next semester?
Sir, I am not going to use probably in the next semester, because being an electrical engineer we don't have any subject, but I will try to pass these on to the students of the final years.
So for use in the next semester?
Yes.
On projects? Or
On projects, not in subject.
Okay. So is there any way that we can help you with that? How can we help you? Because what you're discussing is very useful and very interesting to look at the robot as an intelligent actuation device. Because
Yes.
an intelligent actuation device is going to have sensors and actuators or whatever it is. So it's actually an intelligent actuation device.
Yes.
So you can think of an interesting problem as having a number of these different kind of actuation devices, and you want to maximize
within the premises or within a small.
Say one application could be, how do I in the lowest energy manner map out a room?
Yes. That's the related thing I was thinking yesterday. So if it is fine, say for the intensity of the light, and if it in a room of say x by x, then it tries to find where the intensity of the light is more or where the intensity of the light is less, and accordingly if some task is given to them, it goes there and tries to do that thing there only, instead of expecting all lights to be on. Or this is just an example.
An interesting application, if you look at, I don't know whether this is valid, others might know. You have a polyhouse or a greenhouse, right? And you won't have light equally distributed in it, you won't have humidity distributed, you won't have all these kind of things, right? So maybe one such intelligent sensor robot, see, one is to have a sensor all over the greenhouse, which is expensive.
Yes.
Humidity sensors, leaf wetness, this, that and the other.
One sensor with having all the sensors mounted on it and it's moving around.
Exactly. So it's like a Mali.
Yes, yes.
Mali robot, which just goes around the whole
It takes
greenhouse.
each and every corner of that.
Exactly. See, we thought of a product here. Let's make it. Right? So you can reduce the cost of automation in the greenhouse. Now, how does a product happen? A product happens like that when you're having chai with someone and hey, why don't we do this? किसी ने किया है क्या? नहीं किया, market में नहीं है, कितने में है वगैरह. And then you think of a product and you prototype it using some students, and if you're lucky, out you are in the market with it, and there you have an idea. Now this I just thought of while talking to you, and I think it's a great idea. Right? Having a Mali robot in a polyhouse where you don't have to put a sensor everywhere in the polyhouse.
Everywhere in that.
Especially if you have a large polyhouse, then you can have a track-mounted robot whose just job is to just travel up and down, right? And all the sensors are on one thing, and it can have motion detection also. So if there is an intruder who comes in, he can spot that.
So I've been working on the data logging system also. So that, and my specialization is on the photovoltaic. And based on that, I've been working on the data logging as well as the control of the photovoltaic cell and the modules.
We definitely do something.
Thank you very much.